Hey, I'm so sorry if you're seeing me like this today.
Hiwalay na sina Geraldine at Josh Blackman ng sikat na Blackman family sa internet. Naiiyak na inanunsyo ni Geraldine sa Instagram nitong Biyernes. Sinabi niyang nananatili silang magkaibigan ni Josh at magiging co-parent sa kanilang mga anak na sina Jet at Nemo.
I've been trying to find the right time when I'm gonna get a courage for me to post this one online. Anyway, Josh and I have separated. We're good friends. I just know that he is a good person. He is the best father that Jet and Nemo could ever have.
Ang Blackman family ay nakilala sa kanilang adorable at nakakaaliw na content sa social media. Naging daan ang kanilang pagiging internet sensation para pumirma ng kontrata sa Sparkle noong nakaraang taon. Nakabase sa Sydney, Australia ang pamilyang Blackman na sina Dad Josh, Filipina Mom Geraldine at ang kanilang dalawang anak na sobrang kinagigiliwan na sina Jet at Nemo.
Josh was the one who introduced me to Christian life. Again, he was the one who made me become like this. And without him, I'm just so lucky that Jet and Nemo have him. We are gonna be co-parenting. To everyone out there who has supported the Blackman family, thank you so much.